Good morning, students. In the previous lecture, we have studied the function of springs and terms related to the helical coil, spring, and the types of stresses induced in the spring or helical coil spring and types of springs. Now we will take in this session the numerical problem neglecting the effect of stress concentration or effect of curvature. Let us have problem. A closed coil helical spring is made of 10 mm diameter of steel wire. The coil consists of 10 complete turns with mean diameter of 120 mm. The spring carries an axial pull of 200 Newton. Determine the shear stress induced in the spring. Neglecting the effect of stress concentration, determine also the deflection in the spring, its stiffness and strain energy stored by it. If modulus of rigidity of the material is 60 kN per millimeter square. Now we will write the given data. Now mean coil diameter capital D is equal to 120 mm. Wire diameter small d is equal to 10 mm. Number of turns N is equal to 10. Load, axial load W is equal to 200 Newton and modulus of rigidity G is equal to 60 into 10 raised to 3 Newton per millimeter square. Now we will list the required data. The required things are: first, shear stresses induced, neglecting stress concentration effect. Second, deflection. Third, stiffness. Fourth, strain energy stored. Now we will list down the formula used. First, C is equal to capital D upon small d. Shear stress factor Ks is equal to 1 plus 1 upon 2C. Tau is equal to Ks into 8WD upon pi d cube. Now putting the value of spring index in this equation, the formula becomes tau is equal to Ks 8WC upon pi d square. Next, deflection 8WD cube into N upon GD raised to 4, or deflection is equal to 8WC cube into N upon GD. Stiffness S is equal to W upon delta. Energy, strain energy stored U is equal to half W into delta. Now by simply remembering these formulas and putting the values, it is very simple to solve the problem on spring. Now just see the value of spring index C is equal to 120 upon 10, that comes out to be 12. The value of Ks, putting the value of C in this equation, that comes out to be 1.016. Now the total shear stresses neglecting the effect of curvature, putting the value of Ks, W, C and D square, we can find out the value of total stresses tau, that comes out to be 63.6614 Newton millimeter square. Now this is the formula of deflection. So putting the value of W, C, N, G and D, we can calculate the value of deflection. The deflection comes out to be 46.08 millimeter. Now stiffness, putting the value of W and delta, we can calculate the value of stiffness. So the stiffness S comes out to be 4.3402 Newton millimeter. Now strain energy can be calculated by this formula, putting the value of W and delta. So the strain energy U comes out to be 4608 Newton millimeter. So the problems on springs are very simple. Only thing is required that you must remember this formula. By remembering the formula and putting the values, you can solve the problems on spring very easily. Thank you very much. Now we will solve the next problem considering the effect of curvature.